Hello, everyone. We're doing our what's now called the Power Tune for November for Powers Music School monthly learners Irish music session. And this month we're doing The Snowy Path, which is a slip jig that was recorded by the band Altan. And it's a lovely little tune with a really interesting melody, but it's not that hard. So I'm going to play it slowly for you once so you can try to learn it, and then quickly so you can play along. Here we go. There you have it, The Snowy Path. Good luck and hope to see you next month.